In today's video, I'll show you how to get out of S mode in Windows 11 laptop or PC. Now, Windows 11 S mode is a security-focused, streamlined version of Windows 11 Home, designed for performance and safety. It exclusively runs verified apps from Microsoft Store and uses Microsoft Edge for safe browsing. So if you want to come out of this S mode, what you have to do is, at first, just go to your search and search for run command. From the best matches, start the run command. And when it opens up, what you have to do is just type services.msc. Again, it is services.msc, which is services.msc, and click on OK. After that, this window will come up. Just extend this. And from here, you need to go scroll down and search for Windows Update. Just scroll all the way down and you're gonna find an option called Windows Update. Just find that, and there you go. This is one for me. Then just right click on it and click on Properties. And after that, you'll see an option General. Just go to this tab and find Startup Type. Make sure Startup Type is set to Automatic. And after you have done that, make sure that Services is Start. And after you have done that, just make sure the service status is started. Currently it's stopped, so just click on Start and just give it some time. It will start the service for you. And after that, just click on Apply, click on OK. Then just close this out. And then just go ahead and restart your computer and you should be out of your S mode in Windows. And then just go ahead and restart your computer and you should be out of S mode in your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.